Going, man.
Hole was at least 16 feet.
Can't tell them what they got going, man. What we got going, Tristan?
Only gonna cover 4 feet.
I don't know what the fuck going on.
You said what?
I don't know what the fuck going on. I couldn't tell you.
All right, so right now we had to get some. What this is, the grout.
1 second.
We had to get the grout. We got some thin quick set, some sponges, flange, a coupling, a 3-inch pipe for the toilet, water closet, and concrete mix. Let them know, Zach. Tell them there's some concrete mix, man. And this is rebar to reinforce the concrete, Zach says. Right now we're in loads. Right now we are in loads.
This saying is like it'll cover 6 square feet.
Cubic feet are as much larger.
We're about to replace a flange. This is a video of how to replace an offset flange under a toilet.
4 inches of concrete and 3 inches of gravel, right?
Zach says this is the right one. This better be the right one, Zach.
Definitely we need. I've calculated all this.
I'm gonna replace a flange under a toilet, G. See what I'm saying? Hit the like button and subscribe to me. Cause we finna replace a flange. Them boy over there discussion. They discussion. I don't know what the fuck they discussion, but we finna replace it, motherfucker. I'm finna show y'all how to replace an offset flange under a toilet. You feel me? We finna do it. So looking for T-bolts right now, twin. Right above the wax rings, twin. But you know who you look like with this hat on, bro? Charlie Brown. Well, you do look like Method Man. He said all the way down by the wax rings.
They would be in something like
Yeah.
this.
The wax rings right here. These are the wax rings, so
Point out to me which one of these comes with the caps on it.
Tristan scanning this shit. We got Tristan on the thing scanning. You feel me? We getting everything we need to get for this project, man. Y'all boy, we back with the projects, twin. You know what I'm saying? Y'all finna see us put a project together, you feel me? On how to replace an offset flange. Once again, Plumbing School episode 2. You feel me? So make sure you subscribe, cause I got videos coming back to back, my boy. He said he want this shit done today.
You want this shit done today?
Gotta make sure the water is turned off. Cause water just can't.
Yeah, it'll flush whatever water was in the tank.
Alright. I'm gonna share everything off. Back up. Alright. See the wax ring and the offset flange. I'm throwing these away, man.
Check out my boy DJ the Plumber. What?
No, like too hot in there. I'm trying to get under.
Okay. I'm like, what?
Trying to get under it.
Yeah. Nah, I do, but you had me tweaking at first, like.
go, gang.
Oh, I use that side.
You got your full toilet. You got the jackhammer.
You gotta be careful, man. You're gonna scratch up all the top and we can't use any of it.
Cause it's almost like you ain't even getting down in there. You know.
Let me wipe that up, Zach.
Probably could sweat most of that up.
Yeah.
Swamp it up a little bit.
That is really weird. Yeah, cause like it's like it ain't even cutting all the way through. Like that grout ain't grout. Like that grout is concrete or dense or something.
That mix of that room you did by yourself.
Hey man, say man. Boy, it's smoky in here, man. That boy Jack popping up the tile, man. We was gonna reuse it, but it ended up cracking. Tristan just went to go grab the wheel barrel. He can't get it through the door. Can't get it through the door. Oh, he couldn't get it through the door. He tried to get it through this door right here. He tried. County Green. Man, no auntie.
This week on DJ the Plumber. So
You got more Lori will get that big.
yeah, on the next episode of DJ the Plumber. Get it, Jerome. Let's go, DJ the Plumber. It's a full moon tonight. Jerome is in the house. Jerome in the house, baby.
Your line. You want to do parts like this, or this, or this. You never go right up against the line. Don't ever put it right here. Put it right here.
It don't even matter, I want Hellcat steaming. She wanna go shopping, send a black truck to Neiman. Talk about some rappers, everybody around me scheming. Still live like I thought you, but we kept.
Right now we digging all the rocks, the gravel, the sand. We just jackhammer by the pipe. Tell me what we doing, Cal.
Yeah, man, trying to dig down. I'm trying to get up under here. To expose our pipe. Trying to expose our pipe.
Yeah, man.
These stupid rebar in the way though.
What? Y'all see this rebar? This on all in the way. And the junk look like steel, cause it ain't moved.
See what I mean? This is what a repair would be. Put the 1 foot in the base of the hole. Then you use a 2 foot on the.
Don't say scream. Take a while when I drive through the forest. I was a nobody, ass around on the corner. I was a nobody, ooh, crying on the internet. I fought this whole probably. I ain't making all them drill songs, he got nobody. I don't really like you, call, I want no magic. I don't really like you, hoe, I want no daddy. Same hoe, go around, do it again. For the same bro, walk them down, go and spin. That's how the game goes. If I ever go back to jail, I know I can.
Out there to see, this is 50%, 50% done, you feel me? Like, this ain't the finished product, we still gotta, you feel me, get it right, but we done dug a little bit. Now we just gotta get that bit right. Hey YouTube, right now, it's 6:30 in the morning. I just consumed some of this sea moss that's almost gone. You feel me? And now we gotta finish the project, man. It's the next day, you feel me? So, man, I forgot to do my homework last night, bro.
Come on, man. Good thing we get there early.
Yeah, man, I'm finna do that shit in the van. Finna do my homework Friday. So, hopefully this video will be up later. We just use this to cut around it, You know what I'm saying? Now we just prime the pipe, we cut it out. Prime the pipe, prime the coupling. Oh, you put it on. Putting the coupling on.
Always turn it. 45-degree turn.
A lot, but that primer's strong, boy. That primer is another extra gas right there, boy. Kill somebody with that. I watch the movies and people put the stuff on the rag and put it up to your face and suffocate you.
Here, we'll just put it on.
What you say, fam?
I got nothing.
Heard about that fiberglass rebar?
All right, guys. So
Concrete? I thought that's a great idea.
put the pipe in.
It's like light, it won't rust.
We
I
primer
just have it used to be.
the coupling, primer the pipe. Put glue on the pipe. Put glue on the coupling. Put glue on this pipe. And now we push it down and let it sit. Tell them this where the toilet will be at.
That's where the toilet be at.
Toilet be right up here, right up on the wall, right up here, sit in the air. So you have to jump.
Yeah,
You have to jump to sit on the toilet. Smart out there. Boys, I put the sand in, spraying it with a little water, get it a little wet. Get everything wet. And then you put the gravel in that bit. Boys gonna put the gravel in there on top of the sand. Now we just gotta mix the concrete. Mix the concrete to fill the slab up. This thing look good, okay? What you think?
I think so, buddy. Think it looks A-okay. Now the only question is,
It's a process with everything that we doing in here. It's a process, man.
now the only question is,
Can you get those trowels?
Thing look nice and smooth, T. We're taking it step by step, step by step. It's a slow process, you feel me? Step by step. Tell me put in the towels,
We're putting in tile.
Doing this before we go to lunch. Got the spaces in, marking everything out. You know, make sure everything look nice and neat, baby.
I lost like a quarter of an inch.
Make sure when you put in tile, you put spaces in, you feel me? Always have these spaces.
You got this? Line that up in front the way you had it. I promise, there's a method to my madness.
He said it's a method to his madness. He said a method to his madness. This is how it's looking. That's how everything looking. Alright,
My boy about to chop his damn fingers off. Boy, he's focused. He's focused.
Where's still wet, dude? Dude, it was soft. Give me a bath.
I think that's a perfect
I thought
cut.
it was down. I didn't even know.
Yeah, man.
I think Zach's already making that cut. I think he already knew what it was.
Well, yeah.
Man. Hey, man, say, man. We on lunch break right now. You feel me? That lemonade busting good. That lemonade busting good. We at that Mexican restaurant right now. You feel me? On lunch break, twin. Told the boy Mexican food for the day. You see what I'm saying? And y'all boy know I go with the bestseller Armada special. You see what I'm saying? Every time. Amigo. Yeah, man. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Y'all boys see this Aranda's a special. Like, look how good this looks. Wayne, what you got, man?
Grande quesadilla.
Ooh. All right, y'all. Just put all the tile in. See what I'm saying? I was just cleaning it. Just cleaning up the tile. Put the spaces in. And just wait till Monday to.
That's his channel. DJ the baby plumber.
And this is what the tile looks like now that we done put it in. Got T, help me put in cash. Alright, you guys, y'all can see the toilet is still right here, but we're really done. We gotta do put the grout in the lunge, put the toilet, cut the pipe, and put the toilet back on. Cut the pipe, put the flange on, put the toilet that's sitting out there, put the toilet back on, put the grout in the lunge. And that's it, baby. That's the final product. Shows y'all how to change the flange, dig in the ground, and replace it. And that's how you do it. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. Got more content, more plumbing content videos coming for you guys. More content. A lot of content coming. A lot. So stay tuned. Be prepared for the drop. Be prepared for the drop.
It don't even matter, I won't hear cash demon. She wanna go shopping, send a black truck to Neiman. Talking about some rappers, everybody around me scheming. Still in like throwing, but we California dreaming. Still in like throwing Lego California.